Good morning guys, it's Holy Log day 3. We got up at 6:30 today. Well, he got up at 6:30, so I had to wake up. I didn't have any other option. So that we can't unfortunately go for a walk today because Aravi's Dadi Dadu have to go for a health checkup, and so we can't really go out to stay back, take care of the house, do all the morning stuff. So that I had originally planned to go shopping today, but I think my plan is getting changed a little bit. My sister-in-law is coming over for lunch, and then I don't know, in the evening if I'll have time to go shopping. So either we will A, go shopping if we get time, or B, we might go and visit this food truck festival that is happening in Anchal Plaza, which is so exciting. My husband loves food trucks. Like, he has never really, we never really had anything from a food truck, except maybe those that stand around CP, and those are very local. But like with a proper food truck, we've never ever had anything. And he loves to watch programs and serials. What do I call those? He loves to watch all those food shows where they show food trucks. So I'm actually a little more excited for my husband to go there. So we might do that today. So let's see what really happens. For breakfast I am making pohe. You'll see in these vlogs that we eat pohe a lot. For lunch I am making rajma. So in case you forgot to soak rajma overnight, you can simply just give it one whistle, then close it, let it cool down, and then cook it how normally you'll cook overnight soaked rajmas. Alright, so just pre-washed the rajma, that's it, and I'm going to add a little bit of water only to be able to cover the rajma. So rajma otherwise takes when I will boil it properly, I'll add a lot of water because rajma requires a lot of water. It has to be pressure cooked for a long time. But for this first whistle, I'm just going to add water enough to cover the rajma. And I think there's a little dhania piece in there somewhere, yeah. Alright, so this is after the first whistle. As you can see, this has kind of grown in size. Now I'm going to add a lot of water in this. I'm going to add a little bit of salt in this, and then I'm going to let it cook, like pressure cook basically, for half an hour. That's like almost a bottle full of water, almost 1 liter of water, and I think we need just a little bit more. I think that should be sufficient enough. So that's 1 entire bottle and a little bit more. So I got that on the gas again, and I'm going to let this be for, like, after the first whistle comes right now, I'm going to let it be for around 20-25 minutes like this. I am a little bit tense today because my vlog that is supposed to go up today is not uploading. I do not know why. It didn't happen. I was trying all day yesterday, it didn't happen. Been trying this since, like, we got up around 6:30, and the first thing I did was open my laptop, put it to upload. It's just gone 8:40, and it's still like at 8%, and it's been on 8% since, like, I don't know when. I think my Wi-Fi is not working properly, or what is happening, I don't know. I'm a little bit tensed right now. Onions. Yummy, yummy. I have just pureed onions and garlic and ginger together and pureed tomatoes for the masala. I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil in the kadai. Once the oil is a little heated up, I'm going to add jeera and hing. Once the jeera is done, once it turns a little golden brown, I'm going to add in the onion puree and I'm going to add in dhania powder, and I'm going to kind of let it cook for a while. Okay. I have just added the onion puree and dhania. I'm going to cook this till it's a little light brownish in color. Then I'm going to add dhania, not dhania, sorry, haldi, namak, mirch, and wait, is this garam masala? Yep, and garam masala. Wait. Onion turn this brownish color. I am going to go ahead and add some haldi. Not that much. Little bit of lal mirch. Little bit of salt because we already have salt in our rajma, so not that much actually. And little bit of garam masala. I'm gonna slow this down. Now I'm just going to mix this all together and let it cook till the tomatoes are done. In terms of quantity, I took 2 onions, a few cloves of garlic, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, little bit of ginger, and around 7 to 8 tomatoes. So I take a lot of tomatoes when I make my rajma because I like it, like I like the gravy thick, so that's why. As you can see that the tomatoes have reduced in size and they're pretty much done now. I'm just going to add the rajma to this and then eyeball it and see if I need to add more water. I think the quantity is huge and I have to still add water to this, so I'm going to transfer all of this into a bigger cooker. So that I have added almost a bottle of water into this. I'm going to let it come to boil and then put it on slow and let it cook till I feel like the rajma and the water are like completely binded together. In case you are wondering, I am wearing this kurta from Fab India and then the pajami is again from Biba. So yeah, that is my outfit of the day. I love the embroidery on this one and I love the mukesh work on this one. So yeah, that's my look of the day. I love, if you haven't figured it out already, I love anarkali styles. I used to not really love them because I used to love them. Since the last 2-3 years I've been wearing only and only anarkali styles, and that is why I have so many anarkali style kurtas. But currently I find them a little outdated, so that's a big oops because all my Indian clothes are anarkali. So and the rajma is ready. Yum yum. I'm gonna go ahead and have this because I have no patience to wait till lunch. बा को बाय बाय कर दो, बोलो मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ, मैं गुजिया लेके आ रहा हूँ, मैं गुजिया लेके आ रहा हूँ. चलो चलो रहने दे, रहने दे, ना जाए, अरे भी ना जाए, ना जाए, ना जाए. अम्मा कहाँ जा रहा है? अरे भी घूम घूम जा रहा है, घूमने जा रहा है, अरे भी घूमने जा रहा है, घूम घूम जा रहा है, घूमने जा रहा है. Tree. We are just off to Haldiram to get gujiyas. I cannot even tell you how excited I am because gujiyas are like my favorite Indian sweet. I want to tell you guys about something about this mirror. So I got this off of Amazon and it was super duper expensive. It was really expensive, and I was highly doubting myself, should I not get it. But it's worth every penny because I can easily see Aravind in that. I can easily figure out if he's okay, not okay, if he's crying, if because he genuinely has a problem, or if he's crying because he cannot reach his toy. So yeah, and I have kind of adjusted it in a way that I can see Aravind in my rear view mirror, so that I don't have to kind of like turn around and check if he's okay or not. So I think this mirror is super duper important. Hi. चले गुजिया लेने चले, गुजिया यम यम नम नम लेने चले. बता तो दो आप कहाँ जा रहे हो, आप ही तो बताओगे. इसमें क्या है? केसर गुजिया,
केसर और ड्राई फ्रूट के साथ.
और ये चंद्रकला में
आपका चंद्रकला का शेप है, फिलिंग वही होती है.
फिलिंग सेम है, केसर और
ड्राई फ्रूट्स.
और मैदा गुजिया में
प्लेन होता है, मैदा होता है,
मावा होता है. और केसर चंद्रकला में
केसर है, ड्राई फ्रूट है और मावा होता है.
केसर ड्राई फ्रूट और मावा. अच्छा, सेम ही है, ठीक है.
आपका समोसा है,
इससे समोसा का शेप है, बाकी वही मावा फिलिंग है. Look at how amazing this is. White chocolate, rose chocolate,
गुजिया है,
बादामी
चॉकलेट गुजिया पेटल के साथ है.
हाँ.
ये आपका नमकीन गुजिया है, और ये कोकोनट ड्राई फ्रूट गुजिया है, और ये चॉकलेट गुजिया है, लिक्विड चॉकलेट.
अरे वाह. I am just going to try the rose chocolate gujia right now. It looks so interesting. This is so good. Chocolate and gujia are both my favorite things, and together they're like beyond amazing. And the slight taste of rose is also so yummy. If you are in Delhi or if you have a Haldiram around you, please go buy this. It's called the Rose Choco Gujia. It's super duper yummy. The staff at Haldiram was super duper helpful. They helped me pick out everything. Can you see me? You can see me. They helped me pick out everything, and they gave Aravind little sweets to eat while we were waiting for things to get done. We were just sitting in the car. Don't worry, I'm not going to drive with Aravind in the front seat. Never gonna do that. I'm just we're actually just about to go drink some juice. They had these really amazing new cold pressed juices, and I just wanted to try that. It's orange and apple, so we're going to sit here, drink this, then Aravind is going to go back to his car seat, and then I'm going to then I'm going to drive. So let's try this. Mama pehle pee le. This is really fresh. पी पाओगे? आपको आती है? ऐसे करो, ऐसे ना, मम्मा वैसे पिला देती है आपको. These are really yummy. This is actually really yummy. It's orange and apple flavored. I have had cold pressed juices before. I think the last one that I had from was raw pressery, and I honestly did not like it at all. Maybe because it had vegetables in it, that's why. This is just orange and apple, and I really like it. It's very sweet. Not very sweet, but like it's very tasty. It's like extremely fresh, which is always a plus. I thought I might have to go to a couple of more sweet shops to get a variety of gujiyas to show you guys, but Haldiram itself has so many varieties and so different kind. I just had chocolate gujia, and this is a white chocolate gujia as well that I've got, that I can't wait to try when we get back home. Maybe घर जाना है, घूमे जाना है. घूम जाना है, घर नहीं जाना, घूमी जाना है, बाहर जाना है. चलो. Just came to Southex Market to return a pair of headphones. There's a problem in my laptop. the audio doesn't really work properly, and I thought maybe the new pair of earphones would improve that, but it didn't. So just came back to return the earphones because they were super expensive. घर जाएगा छोटे बेबी घर जाएगा। नहीं आपको पता है गिराना नहीं है। अब नहीं बोल भी रहे हो तो आप क्यों गिरा रहे हो? नहीं बंदर गिराना नहीं है। हाँ? ये क्या हो गया? Got some white roses from the red light. How pretty are those? अरे वीर कहाँ आ गया? घर आ गया? पापा मिल गए। पापा अच्छी है ना? चॉकलेट गुजिया, वाइट चॉकलेट गुजिया, चॉकलेट एंड रोज गुजिया है। वाइट चॉकलेट गुजिया, चॉकलेट गुजिया, होममेड गुजिया, केसरी गुजिया, मैदा गुजिया, चंद्रकला एंड चंद्रकला केसर एंड समोसा।
गुजिया समोसा
अच्छा है ना? अच्छा है ना दादी? ये देखो अच्छी है। चॉकलेट, वाइट चॉकलेट,
सब तरह की अलग अलग।
हाँ। I'm getting my husband to stop working because I want to taste gujiyas and I cannot wait. Homemade वाली try करने कौन सी करनी है पहले?
जो भी तुम्हारा है।
Homemade वाली टूटती नहीं। अच्छा, पर नहीं अंदर सिरप नहीं है।
होममेड में सिरप नहीं होता।
वो जो असली होममेड होती है वो ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है। आपको कितना ही देखो बट क्लोजेस्ट है विदाउट एक्चुअली मेहनत। नेक्स्ट नॉर्मल गुजिया, मैदा गुजिया। इसमें हल्का सिरप है
मच बेटर।
बट बहुत ज़्यादा सिरप नहीं है, बट हल्का सिरप है, which is nice। आपको सिरप पसंद है नहीं? मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा सिरप, like I like it when you bite into it and the juices come out. That's where I like it. चॉकलेट ट्राई करनी है या केसरी ट्राई करनी है?
तो मैं तो चॉकलेट ही करनी है।
उसने मुझे एक चॉकलेट रोज के ला दी थी वहाँ पे। चलो पहले फिर केसरी कर लेते हैं ताकि चॉकलेट ला। चलिए we are going to try the चंद्रकला केसर गुजिया। These two are same except the shape is different. ये क्या लेते हैं? This is what I like.
अरे भी राजा।
When the syrup spreads. आपका chocolate, white chocolate या rose chocolate?
White chocolate.
White chocolate.
Oh my god.
Very good. Spicy. It doesn't have the solid casing. वो तो है ही नहीं इसमें, है ना? मैदा ही casing है।
इसमें तो बर्फी भरी हुई है।
बर्फी है? मावा नहीं है?
हाँ वैसे ही। Oh shit.
मावा बर्फी टाइप इस वजह से।
Oh my god. क्या कर रहा है? Oh my god.
क्या कर रहा है?
इसको हटा के पटेगा वीडियो में। ये सब गिरा रहा है।
So my husband doesn't like the white one. I like the white one though. अब चॉकलेट क्या चॉकलेट रोज?
मुझे और नहीं खाना।
दो ही बची हैं। चॉकलेट चॉकलेट। कोकोनट है।
I don't like it.
अच्छा है। आपको कोकोनट का टेस्ट है? मुझे चॉकलेट कोकोनट नहीं पसंद। अच्छी है ना? This is so nice chocolate coconut. ये लास्ट ट्राई करो। मैं खा चुकी हूँ।
इसमें क्या है?
रोज चॉकलेट एंड मावा है सारे में। गुजिया है। गुजिया है ना मुझे याद नहीं।
I like the normal one.
This one I love. Chocolate coconut. आपकी favorite कौन सी?
Sugar syrup one.
ये चंद्रकला केसर. My husband likes this one the best, Chandrakala Kesar, and I like this one the best, chocolate coconut. Although I don't really like chocolate coconut chocolates a lot, but this is so yum. बताओ आपकी फेवरेट कौन सी है? फेवरेट कौन सी है ये?
यही लिए मैंने तो।
जो होममेड नहीं, ये नॉर्मल वाली शायद नहीं, केसरी है
केसरी
ये।
है।
केसरी गुजिया।
हफ्ते में लेगी।
चल रहा है वीडियो तो चल रहा है। My day 2 video has still not uploaded. It's 3:30 and it's still 77% and it says 2.5 hours left. This is sad. You guys must be thinking, really, day 2 and you're late. Sorry. We were just playing with Arivir and we just asked him, Arivir ka, and he said, Arivir! He said, Arivir, that is such a difficult word. I think I'm going to end my vlog here. Nothing really happened in the evening. I really wanted to go to the food truck festival happening in Ansal Plaza, Delhi, but that did not happen, which is super sad. But anyways, tomorrow is an exciting day because I'm going shopping with my mom. How exciting is that? So make sure you're subscribed, and for Gujia, give this video a thumbs up because Gujia. I'm also taking all the Gujias that I bought for myself. I got another set made for my mom, so I'm taking that home tomorrow as well. I can't wait for tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.